So this table has been in our family for years. Earlier today, I stripped it and let it sit in the sun for a while and cleaned it up. And now I'm applying this Amy Howard at Home Better with Age to see if I can bring it back to life and make it look really cool. So let's see what happens. So we applied the Better with Age and went inside for a bit. Decided to come out and see what it's doing, and this is what it's looking like. It's not dry yet, but it is really turning out awesome. Better than I expected. Very excited to see what it looks like. So we'll come back out in a little bit and see what it looks like. Well, I couldn't be more thrilled. I had no idea how cool this was going to be. I am so excited to get this in my house. This piece of furniture has been in our family for so many years. It got worn out and the sun dried it out and it just looked absolutely horrible. So I have a beachy theme going on in my house and this is going to fit perfectly. I am so excited. If you want to try Better with Age and other DIY products, come shop Creative Lion. We are located inside Twin Rivers Local Vintage. Hope to see you soon.